If you're eating every opportunity you can, forcing down meals, feeling full all day, and the scale still won't move, this video is for you. If you're the skinny guy or hard gainer who trains hard but can't seem to gain weight, I know exactly what that feels like because I was just like you. I used to think I just needed to eat more so I'd stuff my face and feel miserable most of the time, and yet nothing worked. The truth is, you probably don't have an eating problem, you have a calorie density problem. What changed everything for me wasn't adding more meals, it was making my calories easier to consume. I stopped trying to chew 3,000 to 4,000 calories a day and started drinking them. And that's when I finally started gaining weight consistently. So in this video, I'm giving you 3 different 1,000 plus calorie bulking shakes, 1 chocolate, 1 vanilla, and 1 strawberry. And the first one is actually my personal favorite. The best part is that they actually taste good. So don't worry about buying another mass gainer. They're simple, high in protein, easy to make, and perfect for any hard gainer who struggles to eat enough. You can drink these between meals, after training, or anytime you're behind on your calories. The goal is to make hitting your calories easier, not harder. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 powerful go-to shakes you can start drinking immediately, so gaining weight, reaching your protein targets, and building muscle finally feels effortless. All right, let's get right into the first shake, which happens to be my favorite one. This shake alone has 1,070 calories with 73 grams of protein. This is what I call my chocolate mousse shake. If you want to drink it quickly to get your calories in, you can. But if you want something that tastes like an actual dessert with a texture similar to mousse or tiramisu, you can enjoy it that way as well. But if you struggle to eat your calories, I'd stick with drinking it. I'm just saying, you have options. For ingredients, you'll need Fairlife chocolate milk, your chocolate protein of choice, almond butter, pitted dates, and rolled oats. To make the shake, start by adding 80 grams of oats, 300 grams of chocolate Fairlife milk, 2 scoops of chocolate protein, 32 grams of almond butter, and 50 grams of chopped dates. Blend that for about 60 seconds and you'll get a thick consistency that looks and feels like a chocolate mousse. When I first made it, I found myself eating it with a spoon, and then that reminded me why eating calories is much harder than drinking them. So here's the quick fix. Add a handful of ice, add a bit of water, blend again for another 60 seconds, and now you've got one of the best chocolate shakes you've ever had. If you try this one, you have to promise me you'll come back and tell me how it was. The second shake on today's high calorie bulking menu has 1,068 calories with 77 grams of protein. This is what I call the Rice Krispie Treat Shake. For ingredients, you'll need fat-free Fairlife milk, your vanilla protein of choice, peanut butter, a large banana, oats, honey, and Rice Krispie cereal. And real quick, if you want to support me and the channel and you're looking for quality supplements that actually taste good, you can use my code GC3 on the Core Nutritionals website for anything you want to pick up for an extra 15% off. Now to make the shake, start by adding 80 grams of oats, 300 grams of Fairlife milk, 2 scoops of vanilla protein, 32 grams of peanut butter, 150 grams of banana, and 20 grams of honey. Blend that for about 60 seconds, and before you take your first sip, we're adding one more final ingredient. 15 grams of Rice Krispie cereal on top for that classic Rice Krispie crunch and flavor. The last and final high calorie bulking shake has 1,032 calories with a record high of 87 grams of protein. This is what I call my Berry Fresh special because it's very good. See what I did there? For ingredients, you'll need fat-free Fairlife milk, your strawberry protein of choice, peanut butter, Greek yogurt, frozen mixed berries, oats, and honey. To make the shake, add 80 grams of oats, 300 grams of milk, 2 scoops of your strawberry protein, 150 grams of Greek yogurt, 32 grams of peanut butter, 150 grams of frozen berries, and 20 grams of honey. Blend that for about 60 seconds and you'll get a refreshing smoothie-like texture that's ready to drink. Now, if you haven't noticed, all the ingredients in these shakes are high calorie dense foods. That's what makes them perfect for us hard gainers to get calories in quickly and easy compared to low calorie, high volume foods. There really aren't strict rules when it comes to making these shakes, so feel free to adjust the ingredients to match your calorie needs. You can swap different milk options, different nut butters, add nuts or seeds, or use your preferred fruits. You could even go as far as adding oils, ice cream, eggs, chocolate, granola, protein bars. Honestly, I've seen it all. The only real goal is making it easier for you to hit your calories if you struggle to eat enough. Remember, gaining weight isn't about forcing more food. It's about making calories easier to consume consistently. Now you have 3 different high calorie, high protein shakes you can rotate through your routine or simply choose one to use daily. If you'd like to see more bulking videos with high calorie recipes, muscle building exercises, and tips on how to bulk the right way, let me know in the comments below. I'm currently in my bulking phase 2 and I'd love to help and be part of your journey. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace, guys.
Wow. This is literally one of the best shakes that I've ever made. Enjoy.